Goal of this activity is to really work the legs. It's an awesome move if on your split squat your knees cave in almost instantaneously. Here's what you're gonna do. Get yourself a ramp of some sort. You're gonna put your foot on the ramp, and if this is like a neutral shin angle, you wanna be behind like this so it's more of a negative angle like that. So my front leg's gonna be straight, my back leg's gonna be bent. You don't want too wide of a stance either, otherwise you're gonna arch. Keep the stance fairly narrow. From here, what you're gonna do is exhale, reach the arms forward, and then at this point you wanna inhale, push the knee forward, take a knee, drop straight down, exhale, bring it back. You're gonna feel front leg working. Just like that. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.